Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Hello, how are you traders? Good morning, I hope you're well. It is a Wednesday, it is the 9th of March. Where does the time go? As always guys, first of all, we're going to recap yesterday's trades. So yesterday was Tuesday, and if you remember, we had two potential trade ideas for us to take. The first one was this was the Aussie dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Yeah, because of this bearish candle here, we were trying to take price back down to this blue line. Okay, we've been bearish on this trade all week. Yeah, we had this bearish candle come off the highs, followed by another bearish candle, and then sure enough it come down and hit our blue target here. All right, so this was a really good trade. Let's see how we got in on the trade. Okay, so guys, yeah, let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so as you can see guys, we had our two grey zones yesterday. First of all, we had this bearish candle form here. This told me that sellers were in control, so we could take it lower. I mean, if you was being aggressive, you could look at this candle here, guys, but definitely this candle. Yeah, this candle breaks these lows, comes thundering down, and then sure enough, takes very little time for us to come down to our blue zone. All right guys, so yeah, there was a few candles you could have gotten into, but yeah, we're just taking price back down to this blue line, and that was a great trade guys, a very profitable trade. So I hope you took this. Like I say, we've been shorting it all week, so I hope you've been taking profits along the way. It's always a good idea to take profits guys. You can take profits, let price retrace, enter the trade again, take profits, let the market retrace. Yeah, sometimes it won't retrace, but no problem. Right, so yeah, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, that was a good trade. The next one was this was the pound against the yen. Because of this bearish, again, we've been shorting this all week, but because of this bearish candle, we wanted to take price back down to the last low, and then even down to this blue line. Okay, we've been shorting it since this candle here. Yeah, because it broke this low here. All right, so we've been shorting this all week. Let's have a look at what happened on the H1 yesterday. So guys, yeah, we had a couple of candles here. All right, so let me just show you. So first of all, price come up and tested our grey zone. So we had this candle here. This tells me that sellers are in control. The only problem with this candle is it literally just touches our grey zone. And as you can see, we have all of this resistance here. Okay, so although I entered on this red candle, I'm reducing the size of my trade so that I can put my stop above this grey zone. Okay, so I've got quite a large stop on this trade. I'm still in it because of this resistance that we've seen before. All right, so price did come up again. We had another candle here. We could have entered on this candle as well. This tells me sellers are in control. Okay, it's come back up and tested again. It will be interesting to see what this does today. All right, so I'm still in this trade. It hasn't hit my target. My target would be to come back down to this low. Okay, today, even if it come back down to this low, yeah, this last H1 low here, I might take some profit off there. Okay, if we look at the day chart, I'm still confident in price to come lower. Yeah, so price come down, it's bounced off of our grey zone. I still have the confidence that this pair is going to go lower. All right, but we will see today. Okay guys, so yeah, that's the recap from yesterday. Let's take a look at today. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap from yesterday, please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the channel. And please subscribe as well. That also helps support the channel. Okay, so today, Wednesday, the 9th of March, we've got one potential trade that we're looking at. And it's this, the pound against the yen. I was also contemplating New Zealand dollar yen short and New Zealand dollar US dollar short. But these are against the day trend, okay? Whereas, as you can see, this is not. This is, we have, lower lows, okay, lower highs, okay? So, the structure of this is a downtrend, okay? And then, as you can see from yesterday, as we talked about earlier, price did bounce off of this grey zone, as you can see with this wick here. So, I still think we can take price first of all back down to the last low, this blue line, and then even potentially carry on and take price back down to this blue line. Okay, that will not happen in one day, although the way the markets are, that could. Right, so let's look at H1 to see how we can get in on the trade. So if you remember, guys, I'm still in this trade as we speak. My stop is currently above here, okay, because of all of this action here. Okay, so I'm still in this trade, but I will enter this trade again, all right, if the setup is so. So again, guys, we want to see price retrace into this grey zone, which it already has. Now we just want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form, something to tell me that sellers are in control. And then first of all, I think we can take price back down to this, because this is technically the last H1 low. Okay, so first of all, we can take price back down to this, close 80% of the trade, then we can leave 20% of the trade to run to this blue line, and then even close 10% and leave 10% on to run down to our other blue line on the higher time frame. All right, guys, so pound against the yen short. If price does break out this grey zone, it could retrace all the way up into this grey zone. But again, we just want to see the same thing happen. We want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form, and then we're going to take price back down to these lows, and then leave 20% on the trade and take it back down to our higher time frame targets. Okay, guys, that's the only trade for today. Pound against the yen short. Let's take a look at the news now. Before I start the news, guys, if you're enjoying this daily morning analysis, then please subscribe to the channel and smash the notification button. That way you'll receive it every single morning, okay? And please smash the like button. Both really help support the channel. It'd be much appreciated. Okay, the news. So, nothing overnight. A lot of China data, but no 3-star ratings coming out overnight. And then all we're really interested in today is in the afternoon. So 3 o'clock, as you can see, 3 o'clock GMT coming out of the US. We have job openings. So some employment data, and then at 3:30 we have another 3-star rating. This is crude oil inventories. So this will not only affect the US dollar but also the Canadian dollar, because they are closely correlated. I've explained this many times before, and all eyes are on the crude oil prices. It's never been so high, so it just keeps going up and up. And as you can see, for the rest of the day, guys, there is no other 3-star ratings that we're interested in. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the vid. Please smash the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. I hope you have a wonderful, amazing, great, super trading day, and I will see you tomorrow.